advanced weight training technique, part of the level 3, level 4 personal training certification in SPI. This is the practical part of personal training. Of course, before moving into the exercises, we start by going through the anatomy, the different name of the muscles and the bones, but going more detail into the biomechanical terms. Why these terms are important? Because if you are a trainer and you want to go to references in the science of training, you need to learn the terms. Otherwise, you will not understand what you're reading and you cannot update yourself with scientific studies. So once we learn these terms, we move into motor learning. How does the brain learn the exercises from beginning to intermediate to advanced? Because it changes the way we communicate with our client based on their fitness level. And of course, while studying all these parts, we always tell you where you're going to apply it, so you know why you are actually memorizing and learning this material. Because after that, we move into taking the science into practice. So how can we apply this terminology in the weight training technique? Of course, we tell you how to write it down step by step, from the exercise name to initial position to the practical part, how to motivate. And then in the gym, we practice together role playing. Role playing meaning one person will take the role of the coach, the other the role of the client, and then we exchange, because sometimes the gap between knowing and doing is humongous. So this is where you actually learn how to take the science into practice. During the exercise technique, we also learn about stretching, how to stretch all the muscles in the body as we're moving from one muscle to the next. And we talk about injury prevention and which exercise are risky, contraindicated, meaning better not to do it with beginners or intermediate clients. We also cover some balance training that, if you can add it into your personal training, become quite interesting. Of course, in certain countries, depend on the country, we also have fitness testing. In some countries, the fitness testing is part of the training for health and fitness. In other places, we do it because it's practical, part of the advanced weight training. When you contact the person responsible in the country you're in, we will tell you details about the courses. So once you finish all of this, now you learn how to actually coach the exercise, correct it from different angle, how to give it gradually to your client. And once you have the practical part, now you'll be ready, or your brain will be asking, how can I put it into a program? Some of you might have taken training for health and fitness first, so you know. Others, you started with this course, so the next course will be training for health and fitness, where we learn about exercise physiology, program design, about the fat burning, the cardio, the stretching, the flexibility, and the weight training, the proper weight, proper exercise, and so on. Upon completing these two courses, make sure that you also have your CPR, AED, just in case, because this is actually a requirement internationally. Just in case you have someone with a heart attack, you know exactly what to do. Of course, we will give you all these details upon registration. And when you finish both courses, we give you time to practice, and then we tell you internship, how you prepare for the practical exam, because after doing a full session in a practical exam, now you're ready to become a certified personal trainer. If you want to know more about registration, about the exam, the grading, the schedule, okay, which day it's going to be live, because we give part of it live in the gym. We also give you the information ahead of time on a video to prepare it as self-study. And we also meet live on Zoom to make sure you understand the whole system and you know exactly what you're going to do in the next step. And we review for the exam and tell you what to study for the exam so that you get the best grade possible. All of this you will get them by contacting us either on email, either on the social media, or contact the person representative in your country to provide you with all the details, the dates, when the course starts. And then we're looking forward to see you with us in SPI. Wonderful.